Here, the question asks to find out the value of x. Okay, so here we can see that this one is a parallelogram. How can you identify? Look, here opposite sides are equal and parallel. That means we can say that these two sides are equal and parallel. These two sides are equal and parallel. That means it represents parallelogram. In a parallelogram, we know that area of parallelogram is base multiplied by height. Area of parallelogram will be base multiplied by height. So here we can say that this one is base, this one is height. How can you identify which one is base and height? When we will see this sign represent that this x can be the height and this one will be the base. This one will be the height 7 and this one will be the base. So in a parallelogram, we know that by the definition, opposite sides are equal and parallel. If this one is 24, it must be 24. If this one is 8, it must be 8. Then we can say area of parallelogram can be written as base multiplied by height. 8 multiplied by x. So 8x. This is the area of parallelogram in one way. Look, base, height. How can you identify? Because of this 90-degree sign. Equal to, we can find out this area in another way, where this one represents base and this one represents height. Base, height. Where base represents 24 and height represents 7. Done. Just find out the value of x from this equation. So here the value of x will be 24 multiplied by 7 by 8. So 24 by 8 will be 3. 3 multiplied by 7 will be 21. So 21 centimeter will be the final answer.